Now here we are watching Dr. Charles Greer. He is a doctor who has many different types of expertise, but he's also a holistic doctor who's doing a holistic practice called Naprapathy. And so Naprapathy is a system of healing that deals with manipulating the connective tissue to hold bones in place and to help to increase blood circulation, to release tension, in the different soft tissues in the body, to allow the bones themselves to realign, to bring up and to open up blood circulation, to open up nerve function, into different areas of the body, the joints and muscle groups and into the organs and so on and so forth. And so what he is doing, he's working on the great Darlene Blackburn, and he's helping her to open up her, he's asking her to breathe deeper, to open up her breath, and to use the exhalation of the breath to release the tension from the body.
Stretch. Good. And stretch. Good.
And these are the kind of experts we like to have at Soul Yoga Fest.
Stretch. There you go. Good. Good. Don't help me. Let me do the work.
So now he's opening up the lower back and the hips.
Good. Still with me?
Yeah.
All righty.
So what is this technique doing, doctor?
Well, actually, this is stretching. I'm stretching here. I'm stretching the butt muscles, which are external rotators for the foot. But I want to stretch them out because they go over and attach to the hip. That's the most important point here. And that'll cause the hip to rotate. But if it's out of alignment, well, then you'll be walking like a duck.
Okay.
Feet all out. And it decreases blood flow. And it can cause irritation to the sciatic nerve, which is about right here in the middle of the butt. So then I'm going to go up to paraspinal, the paraspinal muscles. I'm going to stretch them straight crosswise because I can get much more stretch out of it. And my hand just fits right in there like a glove. Go straight lateral with them. Get that movement. Feel the stretch? Darling? That was inaudible. All right. Again, stretch. Loosen it up at the same time. Stretch it. And I'm picking up tension too, so I'm treating into the tension. Stretch it.
And so this science, the science of this scientific set of healing is called Naprapathy.
Yeah, that's the beauty of Naprapathic medicine. You can pick up tension, and not only spinal evaluation, joint evaluation, but the treatment is irrefutable. Now, and if I'm looking, see how her hips are doing this, so they're telling me that the muscles are in a state of contraction here. So what I'm gonna do first, I wanna go in here and rotate that pelvis. You gotta hook that bone right here, and I'm gonna roll it and stretch it. See if I can even that pelvis out a little bit. Bam. Huh? Then I'm gonna go here. You're gonna feel this in the front, right in the quads. Piece of cake. This is a piece of cake.
So that's stretching the quadricep muscle.
Yeah, stretching the quads. Now, ideally, the heel is supposed to go touch the butt muscle.
Right.
And you measure how tight they are by how far or how close they are to the butt muscle. Of course, hers is pretty tight, right? but you're not going to get this here to there overnight.
Right.
So you take what the body gives you and be happy. Because if you go too far, you injure the person. So you got to know how to pick up that tension. That is stretch. And I'm going to steal a little bit here. Ugh. Let's go get this one too. This one's just jealous. You don't give it now. Just gotta stretch. Now, if you notice that this one is a little bit closer to the butt muscle. So this one is not as tight as this one. I'll go here and I'll stretch. Feel the stretch? Okay, I dare you not to say yes. Stretch it here. Good. Now, I'm going to help it because I want it to stay. So I'm going to stretch it even more. It attaches right here and goes down to the knee. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to drive the hip straight this way and get even more stretch out of it. That is stretch.
But that's a nice one there.
Good. And relax it. We'll do the other side the same way. For the sake of symmetry, here, and here, let it stretch. Get that stretch in there. A few seconds of discomfort is worth a lifetime of being pain-free, yes?
So can you say that again, brother?
A few seconds of discomfort, because while I'm doing this, it could be a little bit uncomfortable, but when it's over, like right now, you feel the benefits of it.
That's
so a
right.
few seconds of discomfort is worth a lifetime of being pain-free.
That's right.
Good. And just loosen up the cervical a little bit more. And now cervical decompression. Take your head, roll it this way for me. I don't have to tie a chain on her neck and pull her like that, right? I just rotate her head this way. And I can go in here and loosen this up right in here, get blood moving to the base of the brain. Stretch it. Get all that.
I'm
And
reading
stretch.
Naprapathic pretty soon.
And stretch. Good. Now, if it goes back in place, you'll hear it when I'm doing this. Because this is for, say for example, you fell out of a tree and landed on your head and your neck jammed this way. That's what this takes care of. You didn't fall out of a tree, I don't think. There, we got to get in here. Loosen this up. I want blood moving. And stretch it. Here, here, here. And here we go. Let go. Good. And go. Good. That's good. Slide down towards the foot of the table for me. Let me get this out of your face. We're done with it. How you doing?
Right.
Yeah, turn me on your right side for me, facing me.
Huh?
Are you taking money for the t-shirts?
Yes, but I'm kind of working.
Come all the way over for me, if you will.
I'll be with you in a minute.
You
You
still
got a
with me?
minute?
I don't care what they say. You all right? Grab me there.
Yeah. You can
Just
go
me.
there and see.
Let me borrow this leg right here. Drop it. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay.
Good. You
So
go.
this is a nice one here.
That right there. I'm gonna stretch it. I'm gonna stretch in here out a little bit. You're gonna feel it all in here stretching. And I'm gonna rotate your pelvis to me. Let it go. Let it go.
That was
Your
a
back
nice
is back in place, honey. You been walking around, your back been out of place like that? Lord have mercy. Let's do the other side.
That's my favorite one, Darlene.
She took that out this day.
That's gonna,
gonna-
feel so much better.
You're gonna feel the
Draw
difference.
no attention.
That's gonna feel so much better. Hey,
Yes.
come closer, please. Here. Now, slide.
Slide for
Scoop, scoop. Here. Okay, let me borrow this one. I got you here. Roll me here. Now keep your wrist straight. This leg in. This leg, let me borrow. I got it. You go this way. Roll back. Roll back. Roll your body.
This way? Which way am I rolling my back?
This way.
Oh, that way.
And I'm going this way.
Oh,
Feel a stretching there?
so much there, my shoulder.
Okay. We'll deal with that in a minute. Let it go. And stretch it just a little bit. We put it back in place the other side. You can turn it around your back. Now, that shoulder, let's deal with that now.
Is it sprained or something, you know?
Well,
I feel like it's sprung or something.
it could be. It could be. Now, more than likely, you sleep on that side.
I can't sleep on this side because of that
But
shoulder.
you used to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, when we sleep on it, what happens is all our weight goes onto that shoulder,
Okay.
and it bears the stress. So what I'm gonna do with that is this here. You're just gonna relax your arm right there. I'm gonna go right into hit the joint capsule. And let me know if I'm right on top of it. Am I right on top of it? Right there? Okay, we'll deal with that too. And let's go in and assess it.
Oh, yeah. I see
Right
that.
there? All right.
What is that?
That is called the forecord. There's a little bone, a bony protuberance or a bony projection that sticks up and the muscle attaches there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the muscle so it takes the pressure off the nerve and the pain should start going away. Let me know when the pain starts easing up. It has no choice.
It is easing up, so.
Yeah. Let me know when you no longer feel pain, just pressure. Just pressure. Let me hold it for a minute longer. Make sure it don't come back. I'm going to put a little bit of stretch into it, so I'm going to go right up under here, and I'm going to pull you the nail over there. How's that? But that's not causing the problem. I'm going to show you what's causing the problem in a minute. And you got a major blood vessel here, you know, right? The subclavian, right there. That's an artery, by the way. And you definitely don't want that impaired.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Would you stop yourself?
Never.
I'm making a documentary that would help to inform millions of people about the benefits of naprapathy.
Darlene.
See what she got you in
I see.
Good. I'm gonna go here now. I want to get all of this. And I'm gonna take it. I want you to take this hand. We can grab the other shoulder. Good. And I'm gonna go in here now.
Oh yeah, this is a good one too here.
How does that feel? Good. Now relax, and I'm gonna have you come up a little bit to the head. Actually, you can stay there. I can move this thing out of there. Now I'm gonna come here, and let's get to what's really causing the problem.
Now I got a cervical problem.
I don't care. Now, what did you have? A laminectomy?
No, I have degenerative.
Nah, that don't mean. Nah, that ain't
vertebrae.
nothing. You ain't got no problem. Let's fix this here. How about that we give you some relief from your degenerative vertebrae? Here we go. That's muscle here. Let's get that out of the way first. If you don't get this out of the way, you can't fix the degenerative vertebrae. Stretch it out. See there's a big knot right here? See that knot right there?
Yes.
I gotta get that out of there. I'm gonna drive it down to you towards your chest. You're cutting blood flow off to your head too, by the way. Let it go. Let it go. Drop that head. Let me have it. Let
That's
me
my
have it.
son over there.
I gotta get in here.
In the blue shirt.
I had to break off from everybody. Everybody get breakfast and all that.
Yeah.
Young boys, not young women. They like to drive and look at stuff.
Good. Now let's do the other side.
Yesterday,
How you doing?
second flight. Lucky I parked in the time.
Hold on 1 second. So this is a good representative sample of the science of naprapathy, a natural healing system. And again, we are here at the Soul Yoga Fest, and we are, showing you all the different healing and holistic health modalities that we try to exhibit here.